In Australia, around 1,200 people die on our roads each year, and there are over 39,000 serious injuries across the networks throughout Australia. As a community, we want to work together to try and reach the target of halving the number of lives lost on our roads by 2030, with the aim ultimately of getting to a point where no lives are lost on our roads by 2050. National Road Safety Week is an annual initiative that brings into focus how we can reduce lives lost on our roads. This year, RAA focused on vulnerable road users who are more at risk on our roads. We put out a sea of yellow hearts, one to represent each vulnerable road user who've lost their lives on our roads in the past decade. These were placed in Elder Park, together with some photos with people missing from them to represent the irreplaceable hole that is left by anyone who loses their life on our roads. It's important to remember that the impact of road trauma is felt by people involved, their loved ones, and the wider community for many years after the incident itself has happened. Make sure that the choices you make every time you get behind the wheel, get on a bike, motorbike, or even as a pedestrian, don't compromise your own safety and that of other road users.